Hey there, Hoyt Totty with Forbes Human Wellness, bringing you another episode of Behind the Line, where today I'm going to talk about saving time, money, and the world. What is up? Hope all is well. Today we're going to be discussing Antunes and their water filtration capabilities. Recently, I had the pleasure of walking a local high school kitchen to assess their filtration needs. After a quick look-see, I was able to set them up with a custom solution to manage their dish machines, their combi ovens, their steamers, and their ice machines. With the Antunes system, they're going to be able to save time because they're not changing out filters twice a year. Depending on the piece of equipment, they're only going to have to change it out once a year to once every 3 years. With that kind of time savings, the maintenance guys can learn how to play the didgeridoo. Another area of savings is the money. With the Antunes system, it's going to be a little bit more expensive on the front end, but the total cost of ownership is significantly cheaper. They're essentially planting a money tree. Now, let's talk about saving the world. I wanted to recognize Antunes and their partnership with Splash. They're doing some really amazing things across the planet. And I've heard a couple of the stories of the lives and the people they've touched across the world by cleaning up the water in less fortunate parts. And it is just a really cool organization doing really awesome things. And if you'd like to have more information on that, click here. So hopefully this was helpful. If it was, leave a like. If you want to see more of our content, go ahead and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.